Student, today I am going to discuss on limitation of statistics. There are certain limitations where statistics can apply. Few areas where statistics cannot be applied. For example, first limitation I am going to discuss over here is statistics does not study qualitative phenomena. Qualitative phenomena. What does it mean? Statistic does not study qualitative phenomena. Then what is qualitative phenomena? Here qualitative phenomena means qualitative characteristics such as honesty, poverty, welfare, beauty, health, etc. cannot directly be measured quantitatively. We cannot measure honesty, poverty, beauty in terms of number. As a result, qualitative characteristics are not suitable for statistical analysis. Uh, Statistics can only be applied in studying only those problems which are stated and expressed quantitatively. If data are presented in quantitatively, their statistics can apply, and qualitative characteristics like poverty, welfare, beauty, health, etc. cannot directly measured quantitatively. We cannot say that beauty is 5% or welfare is 10%. No, these quality very these things cannot be measured in numbers. As a result, qualitative characteristics, these are the qualitative characteristics, are not suitable for statistical analysis. Second limitation of statistics is statistics does not deal with individual. Statistic deals only that I discussed earlier my previous video also, that statistics deals only with aggregates of facts, and no importance is attached to individual firm. For example, if I am explaining with a example that marks of one student of class, if suppose there is a marks of one student, suppose one student is A and his marks is given like 50 in maths, does not constitute statistics, but average marks of if average marks of the students given means like he got 80% mark, 82% marks in class 10th board, then that will be considered as a statistics. So statistics does not deal with individual, deals with aggregate of fact. The fact must be in aggregate and must be in average terms. Next one is statistics can be misused. Statistics can be misused. How can a statistic can be misused? Statistics can be misused by ignorant or wrongly motivated person. Can be misused by ignorant or wrongly motivated person. Any person can misuse statistics and draw any type of conclusion he like. If somebody is some person is ignorant and wrongly motivated, they can use statistical data in wrong way, or any person can misuse statistics and draw any type of conclusion he like. Next one is limitation of statistical results are statistical results are true only on average. Statistical results are true only on average. What does this mean? Statistics is science. It is not accurate as many other sciences. Natural science are exact as their result, are universally true. However, statistical law are not exact. Statistical law, I will explain with example. Statistical law are not exact. It's very important to understand. Statistical law are not exact. For example, if average number of theft in town is 3 per week, suppose we have data like average number of theft. Suppose we have data average number of theft in a town is 3 per week. It does not mean that this data does not show or does not mean that if 3 theft have taken place on the first day of 3 week, there will be no more theft in that week. This is the average data. Average number of theft in town is 3 per week. It may be possible that in some week more than 3 theft has occurred, and it may be in some week there is no theft. So it is average. So statistical data is true only on average terms, and statistical result are true only on average. This is statistical data can only be so in the form of average, and that will be more convenient. Next one is fifth limitation of statistics is fifth limitation of statistics is statistical laws are not exact. And statistical law are probabilistic in nature. Probability, there is probabilistic in nature. Probabilistic in nature, and based on them are only approximate and not exact like mathematical or scientific law. Statistical laws are not exact whereas mathematical and scientific law are mostly exact, and statistical law are based on probabilistic in nature. Next one is limitation is only experts can make the best possible use of statistics. Only expert can make best possible use of statistics. The technique of statistics are not simple. The technique of I am writing over here, the technique of statistics are not so simple. What are the technique of statistics? You will study in after few chapters. Technique of statistics are not simple to be used by any layman. These technique can only be used by the expert. As they are complicated in nature. So we can say only expert can make the best possible use of statistics. Those have knowledge and idea idea about technique of statistics, they can only be used by the expert, as they are, because they are complicated in nature. Few technique you have studied in previous class, in class 10th, technique of statistics like measure of tendency, mean median mode. And in class 11 you have to study various technique of statistics like dispersion, correlation, index number. So these techniques, only that person can use these techniques, those who are expert in this subject. Next one, 7th is statistical data. Statistical data should be uniform and homogeneous. Homogeneous and uniform. What does it mean? It is essential that data must be uniform and homogeneous. Heterogeneous data are not comparable. For example, I can explain it with example. It would be no use to compare the height of tree with height of men, because these are heterogeneous in nature. Only if we can compare the data of height of Indian people with European people, or European with people with American, average data of Indian, average height of Indian people with average height of European people, but because these are homogeneous in nature, but we cannot compare height of tree with height of man, because these are heterogeneous in nature. So these are the limitation of statistics that I discussed. Again, I am repeating it. First one is statistical does not study qualitative phenomena. The qualitative characteristics it's not possible to study qualitative characteristics by statistics, because statistics is related to numerical facts, and qualitative characteristics like health, beauty, honesty cannot be measured in numbers. So this is the first limitation of statistics. Second is statistics does not deal with individual statistical data, always in aggregate of facts or in average. Individual data is not considered as a statistics. Second is statistics can be misused if the person is not knowing, if the ignorant person or some corrupt person can use statistical data for their own interest, can be misused. Statistical results are true only an average. Only if average is there, then statistical data will be true. Individual data or other form of data is not considered true in statistics. Statistical law are not exact. That is, not exact means that is probability in nature. The result must be probable in nature, or maybe approx. That is not exact. It is quite impossible to find exact result in statistics. Only probable result will be given in, or approx result will be given in statistical data. They are always, because data is not, it is not necessary that data collected is accurate. In collection there is no might be there is chances that the data which is collected is without error. That's why there is probabilistic in nature, or approx result. Next is only expert can make best possible use of statistics. The technique of statistics are not so simple to be used by any layman. A layman cannot use technique of statistics if the person is not expert. Then the person cannot use in statistics. Sorry, the technical statistics are not simple to be used, so they to be used by any layman. these techniques can only be used by the expert as they are complicated in nature. Seventh, last limitation is statistical data should be uniform and homogeneous. It is essential that data must be uniform and homogeneous. Heterogeneous data, that I explain with example, that heterogeneous data are not comparable. For example, here, that is height of tree and height of man cannot be compared because these data are heterogeneous in nature. These are the limitation of statistics. Now one small topic, that is distrust of statistics. Now next student, that topic is, this is a small topic that I am discussing. This topic I am discussing over here because this is sake of your general knowledge, like why people distrust the statistical data. There are various reasons. Distrust of statistics means a lack of confidence in statistical methods and statements. What does mean? Why there is a lack of confidence in a statistical method and statement? Because first thing is, in spite of the service provided by statistics, considerable distrust exists in the mind of the people with regard of its reliability and usefulness. Distrust because of the mind of the people with regard of reliability and usefulness, like in spite of service provided by statistics, people have lack of reliability and usefulness related to statistical data. The reason for this distrust is improper use of statistical tools by irresponsible, inexperienced and dishonest person. These are the reason, because of that there is a lack of reliability and usefulness of statistical tools. Even student, you have seen in your practical life that when various of datas given by some institution and these datas are misguided the people or gave fake information, because the representing those data, the person behind showing those data might be dishonest person, inexperienced person or irresponsible person. So these are this small topic. Sometimes 1 marks question can be asked, why there is a distrust of statistics, because sometimes it is find that improper use of statistical tools by irresponsible person, inexperienced person and dishonest person. As I discussed, students, that it is only expert can make use the best possible use of statistics, because so the statistics cannot be used by any layman. This technique can only be used by the expert as they are complicated in nature. The techniques of techniques of statistics is complicated in nature and only expert person can use it. So this is the small topic that I discussed, that is distrust of statistics. So in my next video I will start a new topic, that is collection of data. How the data is collected in collection of data, that this topic I will discuss in my next video, and you must read it at your home also, so it would be easy to understand. So collection of data, in this topic I will discuss about few topics like statistical inquiry, sources of data, from where data can be collected, like you must have heard primary data and secondary data. What is primary data and what is secondary data, how these data are collected, and various types of method, investigation technique for collection of data. That all these things I will discuss in my next video. Thank you.